welcome back to my channel. This is Katia Volino. Please, shall I cry for you? I know you don't want to see me cry. Please, please, I know that you love me so much from the bottom of your heart. Don't waste any time but to click on that red button that says subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos. I don't say my video, our videos, whenever we post a video, so that you will know. So today I'll be making you guys some amazing body lotion for every member of your family from head to toe, which is very cost effective, especially now in winter. The weather is changing, our skin is getting drier and ashy, and also this cream does not contain any preservatives, so you are sure of what you are putting on your skin. So the first thing we need is, so it looks like I have a whole bunch of things on the table, but yes, go one at a time. You can pull out your pen and your paper. I will also be leaving the list of the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. So what I have here is distilled water. This is 200 ml of distilled water. This is distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, go ahead and use regular water. So 200 ml of distilled water. The next thing we need here, I already pre-measured some of them so that we will not waste so much time showing and talking. So over here is 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. So I took the aloe vera gel and I blended it together. I will be dumping it into this water. Is 4 tablespoons. The next one is coconut oil. It's also measured already. Is 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. You dump it into the water. The next thing here is rose water. Rose water, I'll be adding 8 tablespoons of rose water. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 tablespoons added into here of rose. The next thing we'll be needing is glycerin. We will be using 3 tablespoons of glycerin.
So we are going to be needing 2 tablespoons of glycerin. 1.
So we have everything in here. This is what it looks like. The next thing we need is polar wax. This is polar wax. Some of them come in small bubbles like snow, and some of them come in powder form. They are vegetable emulsifier. They are here to bind the oil and the water and all the ingredients together. So when you put it up here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna dump it in a 2-burner. In here is water and emulsifying wax. You're just going to take the whole thing, the plate, and put it into the pot like that, and then you're going to bring it on the stove on a very low temperature. So this is what it looks like when it's all melted in the double boiler. Yeah, so we are ready to go and add this into the other mixture. So let's do it. You're gonna bring this out of the pot. Oops, it's hot. And you're gonna dump it into here. It was about 3 tablespoons of polar wax. So you put it into the mixture. You need about 1 tablespoon of vitamin E. This is raw vitamin E. Oh my gosh. You can imagine what this will do to your skin. If you don't have raw vitamin E, please use about 6 to 8 capsules of vitamin E and add it into here. And now we are going to make this into the lotion. So I have my mixer here. For you to really get it into the lotion consistency, you need your mixer. You can go ahead and use your fork to try to do that, but you are looking to getting the smoothest lotion out there, so you use your mixer. It's electric mixer. And you're gonna mix everything together. you need to add your favorite essential oil. It's optional. I have some lavender essential oil. You can use rosemary, you can use any oil you like, or you can leave it unscented, but I love lavender, so I'll be adding few of the lavender, and I'm gonna mix it all around. And you're gonna wait for another 10 minutes for this consistency to become thicker, just like the lotion. So let's wait for 10 minutes. So I just want to show you what it looks like after 10 minutes. It is already the consistency of the lotion. However, if you want to turn this into a facial cream, what I have here is arrowroot powder. You can add a little bit of arrowroot powder to make it a little thicker, and also you can add your choice. So go ahead and buy any or add any kind of anti-aging oil that you want. For now, I am just going to leave it as a lotion. The lotion is here. Everybody in the household have the lotion for the home. So you can go ahead and turn this into your lotion jar. If you don't have the new one, use the old one that you have already used before. And the lotion is made for the entire household, and is going to keep your skin very subtle and radiant for more than 24 hours with no preservative. In lotion here, go ahead and try your homemade lotion for the entire household and keep radiant and keep looking radiant as ever. Thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love it smells so nice. I love lavender. So bye bye to dry skin. This is for every skin type. Yes. What do you have to say now? See you guys. Bye.